taken decision to go in for ordinance of anti-conversion law. Now we will not call it anti-conversion law, we will call it as protection of religious these things.
And sir, there will be some amendment or what?
No amendment. Without any amendment, whatever was passed in the assembly will be made as ordinance.
But instead of going to the instead of going to
of passing this ordinance?
instead of going to the
Because in near future we are not looking at the assembly session again. 3-4 months will be there. So for 3-4 months we cannot see that ordinance, the law is kept in dark house without any publication or ordinance or enactment. So we are going for ordinance.
in that case again we will have to go to the
Yes, we have to go before council again.
and even Vidhan Sabha also.
I don't think Vidhan Sabha is required, but we have to go before council to pass ordinance. But if you change or if you amend something in that ordinance, we'll go before Vidhan Sabha and then Vidhan.
So there is no
Parishad.
change, sir.
I don't think there is change.
So regarding BBMP elections, sir.
It is not BBMP alone, it is for all local bodies. Supreme Court has given some decision and direction. I want to just explain what is there in the decision. We are going to appeal before Supreme Court telling that we cannot go without reservation for backward communities, OBCs.
Okay.
Okay.